Vlogmas. We are back with another video. I just received my new coffee maker to start making espresso and like saving me some coins so I don't have to go to 7 Brew or Dunkin' Donuts. I'm gonna try to do it myself. Y'all already know. If I can figure it out, I'm gonna do it myself. So let's unbox her, get rid of my old coffee maker, and see what she looks like. This is the setup, but we need to clean her up, get it looking right. I'm just gonna move her because I'm gonna have to use her soon. I feel like we got cars laying around pretty much in every corner. Y'all know how to play spades. I'll be coming in and out of retirement. My family takes it serious. Real serious. I've had it since college. My best friend Sabrina got this for me. If you know me, I love coffee. Down. Keep moving. She won't have to move. This is the cabinet. Alright, so this is going to be the home of the coffee maker. So what we looking like. I like this setup way better. So I'm going to read the instructions, figure this out, and get back with y'all. So I let the pot sit for 15 minutes. And this coffee maker has 2 filters. So we have made it out the house. The plans right now, we are running errands. I need to drop off at UPS, go to Dollar Tree, go to Walgreens, Target. So that's my pathway, that's my plan. I'm really having to be strategic on doing all my errands at one time because I'm doing Vlogmas on YouTube and I'm trying to give y'all long form content, so I'm having to split my days up so I can give y'all something, because really nothing too much is happening right now. Yeah, and I saw a post on TikTok where it was like, don't post in real time. So I've been really strategic on not posting in real time and posting stuff that's old or posting it when I'm not even around the area no more. So I really don't have nothing to worry about as far as that. I feel like I need to study tonight. I need to finish my application. Well, my application's done. I need to finish my next steps for grad school because I'm going to grad school or I'm going back to school starting in the summer. And I chose it like that strategically because I'm currently studying for the PMP certification. I want to get that up under my belt and get that done. So I'm not having to study for that and study for a class. So a lot of studying, a lot of heads down, focusing on what I got going on for real. And really, that's how it's going to be all 2026. Really about to get more serious with that and working out in my home gym, because just with my schedule with work and just with my schedule with life, period, I need to just work out at the house. Saves me time. I ain't got to worry about nothing. But the biggest thing is, and me and my sister and my friends, we were talking about it. I need more workout clothes. It shouldn't be my reasoning. And y'all, I'm so mad. My clear Edams like busted. But yeah, I need more workout clothes. I need more workout sets. So that was something that on my Christmas wish list, on my list, that I am getting. Workout clothes. I love Lululemon down. Like, I love how buttery their leggings are. I like how I don't feel like I have nothing on. I also found a pair in TJ Maxx that I like. The brand is called Markia, but TJ Maxx, Marshalls, that'd be a hit or miss. So can't really count on them too much. And I ordered some off Amazon. They okay. They're not the same, but they're the same brand. But they're not the same feel. They're a little thicker. So I ordered some off TikTok Shop. So we're gonna see what TikTok Shop is giving. It's supposed to be the Lulu dupe. We'll see how that goes. To be determined. So yeah, I was not liking how I was looking working out, because I was wearing the same clothes that I've been wearing probably for 1 to 2 years, like Nike dry fit shirts and leggings. My trainer used to always say, "You always got on black. You always got on black." Yeah, literally, I always do be wearing black, but yeah, we had to revamp the gym clothes. And if y'all know any gym brands that is not thick, let me know so I can check them out, because I need options. I want matching sets. I want to match the sets, you know. I want some cute workout sets, so I feel cute working out. I think I'll make it gold. Gold is gonna give. So I'm looking for like something I can put the espresso in. But I'm not seeing it. Alright, let's get out of here. What am I eating today? What are we eating? I don't know. Let me call my mom. What we eating? Okay, y'all, pickup is done. Let's look at the pictures. I can't show y'all the pictures. Oh, I was gonna say, why is it only one? Oh. You know, I didn't read this Canva template. It's cute. Hello.
Hey.
Hey. You done made it home?
No, I think I might go to the Chinese place to get some chicken and broccoli and rice.
Oh, that sounds good. I was just about to say, what we eating? I'm about to wrap this video up because I still have not edited for YouTube for today's video. It's still early, but I don't know. The video might drop at like, I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna post it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna stick with it, but I don't know what time. I'm putting all my stuff for my gifts in their bags. Okay, just making sure y'all can't see. And my friends might see this, watch it. I don't know. Here he is. He's so cute, y'all. This is so cute. Okay, and I think my gift is done. For real. She a little heavy. Tissue paper back in. And she's good to go. So one gift's done. My other gift is here. This one definitely heavy. Okay. This smell, run, don't walk, go get it. It smells so good. This is a gel body wash. Like, I don't even use gel body wash, but I smelled this. This is the shave oil, and I do use their shave oil. It smells so good. Like ashwagandha and turmeric. Y'all go smell this and add this to your collection. Like, they should have had this in the body mist. I would have bought the body mist because I put body mist on when I go to bed. But thank y'all for watching. Come back tomorrow for another video. Like, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see y'all. Bye.